Let's look at how to access your Google Drive. There are several ways that you can get into your Google Drive. One is to click up here into the Omni box, and you can click here and you can type drive.google.com. That's one way. Another way is to go over here on the right hand side and click on the little waffle, and you can click on Drive from here. Some people like to click on the little apps launcher right here and then click on Google Drive. My favorite way is to click on a little bookmark that I have created. To do that, once you open your Google Drive, all you need to do is click on the little star that you see right here, and that will add a bookmark to your bookmarks bar. Okay? All right. Once you get in here, there are several things you can do to your Google Drive. Now, you'll see that mine is set up in what we call grid view. I like to be able to see my folders that I have right here. If you need to change that, you can click right here where it says, right now it's saying list view, and I can click it and change it to list view. This is what list view looks like. It's actually listed down in order. Some people like that because they can see more information about those individual folders. Personally, I like to have it in grid view because I like to see more of my folders. If I want to get information about one of my folders, I can actually click one time and select that folder, and then I can go over here to the right hand side where I see the little eye. That gives me more details, so I will click on that, and you'll see that it opens up there and shows me who all has access to this folder. Also, if I click on activity, I will see things that have been happening inside of this folder. So that's what I prefer to do if I need to get more information. Now, I tend to close this out once I click on it so that it doesn't take up a lot of space. Over here on the left-hand side is where I can access different ways of viewing it. If I want to go to my trash, shared with me, my drive, and that sort of thing. Clicking on the little new button right here will allow me to add a new folder, upload things. This is also where I can go to create a new Google Doc. Don't forget to click on the More button, as that will actually show you additional things that you can do inside your drive. And one of my favorites is Google Drawings, which happens to be over here, and it tends to get overlooked because it's over there. The other thing that you might want to look at is by clicking on the little gear over here, you can actually access your settings. So I can click on the gear and go to settings, and then click on settings right here. I can then adjust some things if I would like to. One that you might want to turn on is the ability to work offline in case the internet is down. You can also adjust your notifications and manage your apps. If you need to look at your account settings, you can click over here where it says Client ISD, and you also see your little picture, or you might see your initial. If you would like to add a picture here, you can do that by clicking on the little camera, and you can also click on Manage Your Google Account if you needed to adjust your password or anything like that. All right. So that is how to look at and access your Google Drive.